Randy Preluck. I am the Associate Dean for Undergraduate Programs and also Professor of Marketing. And this is my son, Harper, saying hello. I also wanted to show you some of my travel books, some places that I've been in some of my travels. Places like Guyana, Ghana, Ukraine, Sri Lanka, got Egypt over here, and Jordan, and Estonia, and Latvia. So this is my hobby, and I wanted to share it with you. So welcome to PACE, everybody.
Louis, sit. Piano. Good boy. Piano. Good boy.
Come over some more, Liza.
Hello, my name is Adia Johnson and I'm the Accounting Department Program Coordinator. I also teach University 101. Whenever I'm not sending emails, I'm hanging out with this Bella and trying to salvage these dying plants. Toodles.
It's Professor Long from the Marketing Department in Lubin. Take marketing classes, they're cool.